Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable two-finger tap for right-clicking on a laptop on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So instead of using a mouse, if you just want to tap twice in order to simulate the right-clicking feature, I'm going to show you guys how to go about doing that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you're going to start off by opening up the search menu and search for settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select Bluetooth and devices. And now on the right side, you would locate touchpad. I'm on a desktop computer, so it's not going to give me a touchpad option, but you would select touchpad, and then you would go down underneath gestures and interaction. You may have to expand that, and there would be a section that says taps. You would expand the taps section, TAPS, and there would be an option to tap twice and drag to multi-select. Again, it would say tap twice and drag to multi-select. You want to make sure that is check marked, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.